It's been a while since I've brought you along when I fed my worms. I thought I would do that today. Just bring you along and show you how my worms are doing in this nice cold winter. I gotta hold on to my phone here with my... Okay, let me see if I can turn you around. There we go. I'll go ahead and take the lid off of this one. It always looks kind of gross because it's all wet, soggy newspaper, but it kind of protects everything. This is my older bin, and looks like we've got some mold there. Interesting. Okay. Oh, I see worms though. Look at all the. Look at. Let's see if we can get them on the camera. There. Okay, I'm going to pause you for a minute here so that I can use both hands. Yeah, you want to see this. Look at all those worms. It's a little chilly out, so they're moving a little slow, but they're there. So I'm going to go ahead, and what I'm going to do is kind of pull everything to the side, and then I'm going to put the food down in the middle, and then I'm going to kind of cover it back up. So pulling everything to the side, it looks like they've still got quite a bit of stuff in here. And there's another pile of worms down there, and some there. Oh, look at all those worms. Yeah. Okay, and it's pumpkin that they're eating here, and they haven't got it all gone yet. Oh, look at, my goodness, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? All right, let's take that pile of worms and kind of move them out of the way here for a little bit. We can move them over there. Okay. Working with one hand, I don't know what I was doing with the hand that I had you in. But I'm going to go ahead and pause this so I can I'm going to put in some paper. I'm going to rip it up into shreds, and then I've got a bag of food here, and in my another bag there for my second bin, and then over here in this container I have some coffee grounds. So it'll be paper, food, coffee grounds. There's the paper. Kind of tore it up into bits. It could be shredded finer, but this will work. Okay, got the food and the coffee grounds in. Now I'm going to move the worms back over the middle there and then get everything all covered up. Okay, it's all covered back up, and I'm going to put the lid and the weight back on top of this one. Then the weight goes on top of there so that the wind doesn't blow the lid off. Okay, then we'll move there's a lot of water on the top of this other one. Okay, we'll get that lifted up. Okay, we're down in the other bin. And yep, there's worms here too. That's good. Move the worms over to this side. This is a younger bin, but ooh, that's a big fat one. Here we go. Move everything over. Okay, and there's a pumpkin from before. Oh yeah, there's a whole bunch of worms down in there. Y'all see them? All right, what a beautiful sight. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing with this one. Paper, food, coffee grounds, and then cover it all back up. Okay, got that one done. I forgot the coffee grounds, so I had to lift all the paper and stuff back up and throw the coffee grounds back in there, down in there, and then cover everything back up. I see a couple of slugs, so we don't want them in there. I just see one slug. He's going to live elsewhere. And weights back on top. And my hands are cold. Took my glove off of that hand once I got everything in there. Sometimes I do it without gloves, but it's kind of nicer. I don't get my nails all messed up when I wear the gloves. So, all right. That was my worms. And when the weather gets a little warmer, I'll go in and sift out some of the worm poop, like I did not too long ago, right at the end of summer. Got quite a bit out, and we'll work on that some more. But my worms are thriving, and that's what I wanted to make sure of. I'll see you guys on the next video. May the good Lord richly bless you.